Wood roofs are becoming a lot less common. It used to be you used to drive through a neighborhood that was built in the 60s, 70s, 80s, even through the 90s, and all the homes were built with half-inch medium shakes. Today, you just don't see that anymore. There are three primary reasons why wood roofs are becoming far less common. First and foremost, they are very expensive, but they do not have the longevity as some of the alternatives. Wood roofs are extremely difficult to insure. They are very expensive and they're susceptible to hail and wind. Therefore, it's very risky for a carrier to insure a product that is susceptible to being replaced from perils like wind and hail and the expense. Wood shake roofs are obviously very combustible. Wood is used for fires. Also, they have a lot of maintenance. So it's an organic material. It's made out of carbon. It's gonna wear over time. So it is a maintenance item. After 10 to 15 years, you're gonna start seeing maybe there's a ridge cap coming loose. There's a field shingle that slipped out. So there's a lot of maintenance as well. If you don't like spiders, you probably aren't gonna want a wood shake roof. Reason being, silverfish love to live. Their natural habitat is the wood shake roof. And what loves to eat silverfish? Brown recluse spiders. So if you have a spider phobia, you'll probably want to stick away from getting a wood shake roof. A lot of people love the look of a wood shake roof, and they look great. But there's various reasons why over time they may not be the best decision. And so there's so many synthetic roofs now, whether it's a Da Vinci or a Brava synthetic tile, where the average person walking down the street is not going to be able to tell if that's a real wood shake roof or if it's synthetic. And it has all the advantages, longevity, it's not going to rot, you're going to be able to insure it, it's probably class 4, that a wood shake roof's not going to have. So if you love the look, you can basically get a comparably priced roof that's synthetic, that way outperforms a wood shake roof, and will actually be right in the same ballpark on the cost. And if you have any questions about replacing your wood shake roof, please give Rhoden Roofing a call and we're happy to answer your questions.